This video will focus on the Create Freehand drawing tool. It is the first drawing tool in your series of drawing tools. As we saw in the last video, to create a straight line, you click, release the mouse, and drag to a new area. Holding the Control key will keep the line at 22.5 degree increments. I need to click on the line before I release the Control key. If I right-click, that line will be separate from the next line I create. I can click, release the mouse, and go to another location and click again. That creates a line. As long as I don't right-click at the end of that line, I can create another line that will connect to this line and be grouped with that line. I'll click, release the mouse, click again. And if I right-click this time, you can see that these two lines are grouped. If I want to create a curved line with the Freehand Draw tool, all I have to do is click and drag, and it will create a curved line. In both cases of curved and straight lines, a running stitch line is created. When you select the Create Freehand tool, the smoothness level can be adjusted in tool options. The range is from 0 to 10. At 0, you will create a line that has a lot of nodes and the curvature will not be smooth. Holding the Shift key while you're drawing will make the curved line smoother. I can also use a bitmap in the background and click and drag around the flower using the bitmap as a guide. Of course, this can be edited later, but you can click and drag directly over the backdrop. Remember, when you release the mouse, the object will be filled in and it can then be edited.